Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to answer a very simple question. Where do you get Creature Enamel inside of Subnautica 2? So, Creature Enamel is what you need in order to make enameled glass, and, well, enamel usually comes from teeth. So, to get us started here today, I am over by the research station, which is also called the Alien Ruins, and this is about the mid-game stage of Subnautica 2. I'm about 1,250 to 1,300 meters away from the life pod, due straight east. So if you go straight east, you will find your way over here and find your way to the research station and the Alien Ruins. From here, we're just going to head to, I want to say like 150 to 165-ish, and we're going to just head down into the abyss. Now, over in this area, something that you'll become very aware of almost immediately is there's these little long snake-looking guys that shoot teeth at you. And they would kind of stand to reason that dudes that shoot teeth probably shoot them into the rocks here, and they get stuck. So these weird white crystals that you see all over the place here, as I'm currently getting shot at by those particular animals I just mentioned, these are in fact enameled teeth. So to get these, all you have to do is blast them with your Sonic Resonator, and you'll be able to get all of the creature enamel that you could possibly want. Although for some reason the icon is like red titanium right now, but I'm sure that will get changed as Subnautica spends more time inside of early access. You can easily just go around these spires where you see these kind of reddish blue long slithering critters. They like to shoot teeth at you, and you'll be able to get as much of this enamel as you want. Wow, these guys really track you really well. It's worth noting that these, like a lot of other resources, will eventually respawn. I think it's a few days inside of in-game time before they respawn, but you probably won't even need to wait that long. There is a plethora of it everywhere, and it is definitely readily available. So yeah, that's how you find Creature Enamel inside of Subnautica 2. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.